Sheela-na-gigs are ancient stone carvings of female figures with bared ribs, emaciated bodies and enlarged vulvas, found near churches and monastic sites throughout Ireland.
It's close by here. I know that. Let's see. Here somewhere. Meditation center. Oh yeah. There's a Magdalene laundry in here, actually. Or there was. Yeah, that brings a lot of extra emphasis to this site. There it is. Here we go. Fantastic. I've never seen this one before. This is new. Very small. Actually, but it's definitely a Sheela. Fantastic. Great to see it. Hold on, I'll just get a shot here. Right by a Magdalene laundry. That's something else. Yeah. A mindfulness meditation center. That's one of only about 5 in situ in Dublin. So good to find this one, actually. Small as it is. I might just I think I'll try and sketch it if I can just find my sketchbook. The only paper I could find is the back of a score, actually, which is part of SacrumProfanum. The hag. I can show you that later. SacrumProfanum is the piece that is my Sheela-na-gig piece, and this is the score for Hag. That's one of the pieces, so one of the movements. There's the title of the piece there, Hag. That's the Sheela herself coming alive in the music. Ooh. So I'm going to draw on the back of my score. I think it's appropriate enough, actually. These aren't meant to be great sketches, they're just meant to give me an idea really how I felt when I first came across them, you know? I'm not a sketch, I'm not an artist. They give me an idea. You get the legs splaying out, small breasts. Kind of ghost-like Sheela, actually. Yeah. Probably the smallest I've ever seen, actually. And they're usually maybe around the size of that page or a little bit smaller. And sometimes they're maybe the size of 2 or 3 of those stones, depending. The ones on the castles are very big because they can be seen. But this, I'm surprised I even saw this, you know. She's great though. And outside the walls of a laundry, a Magdalen laundry, is extraordinary for me, actually. Great. Lovely. Right.
Sheela is enigmatic. She is a witness to the Irish landscape. Sheela is an abject female activist. She stares back at us through history, silent. To give her a voice, to give her music, requires an aesthetics of damage, a broken form for a fractured past.